Looking for a creative and educational school project? In this video, learn how to make a colorful fruit and vegetable salad plate using paper and simple craft materials. It's a fun, healthy themed craft that helps kids identify fruits and veggies while enhancing their art and cutting skills. Perfect for school exhibitions, class projects, or at home activities. Simple materials, step by step instructions, ideal for all age groups. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe this video with your friends and family. And also don't forget to follow our Facebook page for more fun and easy craft ideas. See you in the next one. Bye!